project is part of the wider baggage connectivity program at Heathrow. It basically consists of the construction of a tunnel between the new Terminal 5, Terminal 3 and Terminal 1. The project is fully operational. It will allow all the baggage between the different terminals at Heathrow to be connected with underground connections with tunnels, and it will remove dramatically the surface circulation that is a major problem in a busy airport such as Heathrow.
This is a key part of modernising our baggage systems at Heathrow, which will enable us to continually improve the baggage performance that we give our customers. Boring a tunnel of this size under an operational airport is critical. We've gone through around about 250 different critical services, be it the Piccadilly tube line, the London Heathrow Express tube line, underneath the main fuel tanks, fuel mains for the airport. Obviously the airport is extremely busy. It's the busiest international hub airport in the world and needs to keep operating during this time. So it has been a major challenge undertaken by the team of Ferrovial and BAA to deliver the tunnel successfully.
When you have to do a tunnel in the middle of an airport environment where we have strict and necessary security requirements, obviously, it's important that we have everyone clearly vetted and we put in place access control systems.
Working with Ferrovial, we have a logistics centre just off site at Colnbrook near the airport, where a lot of the material gets pre-screened and sequenced in. That's worked very effectively with the delivery of the tunnel segments, but also with the removal of the spoil.
Each ring is made of 7 segments plus the key. They arrive to Colnbrook and they are checked and inspected. Then some hydraulic jacks lift them out to allow the segment buoys to go back out of the tunnel, and the beam hoist operator brings the segments one by one into the magazine that feeds the erector to position each segment for creation of the final ring.
The duration of the tunnel was 150 days, so it means 2 weeks ahead of schedule. And the average production per day was 22 meters per day, 22 rings, and we managed some peaks of 52 rings in a day. It was a fantastic achievement.
The backstand is the short tunnel that connects the main tunnel with the rest of the baggage system. The most appropriate technique we used for completing the tunnel was spray concrete lining.
In tunnel driving, it's vitally important to have permanent check on the position of the TBM and make sure how is the position in relation with the design tunnel alignment. Monitoring is very interesting because you can analyze the expected settlement or predicted settlement with the real one, and also in relation with the TBM position. And you can analyze also at the same time with the geological information. So it gives you a very good picture in case it's under the expected values.
All of our waste, general waste that is, was taken away to waste transfer stations where we were able to recycle over 80% of our general waste. We were averaging 90 lorries a day to landfill. In terms of metal and woods, we were able to recycle 100%. Water we recycled into sediment tanks. Through silt busters we were able to achieve a pH level of between 7 and 9.
We've got a lot of issues regarding things that normally on a construction project you wouldn't have to worry so much about, like combustible packaging and things like that, that we have to keep, you know, that we can't have any combustible packaging left around, and we also can't have any FOD or foreign object debris around on the site. Anything that's lightweight enough to be picked up by a gust of wind could potentially blow off the site and straight into an aircraft, so we have to be very vigilant about FOD issues.
Info team is always looking for streamlining the process in order to obtain the best result. We exceed the targets in terms of health and safety, quality and times. So we accomplish all the milestones and finally the deadline.
think during the project, ourselves and Ferrovial have grown together, and that very quickly worked into a really strong team-working relationship. And the results speak for themselves. 2.1 kilometres of tunnel bored with over 1 million man-hours without any incident, and additionally no disruption to the live operation of the airport. That is a huge achievement.
I am very proud of what the team has achieved in this project. The track record on health and safety is just magnificent, and also the project has been delivered on time, in the program and on budget. This project is particularly important for Ferrovial Agroman because actually it is the first major civil project we undertake here in the UK. What it means is that we needed to demonstrate the high standards of our work, and I believe we have done so.